Aging is definitely a real concern to everybody. Some of us are concerned about getting old. Some of us are afraid of becoming not attractive physically. Most of us are worried for aging-related sickness and decline in physiological functions. Generally, aging is due to cells lose its ability of self-repairing. Thus, DNA telomeres and the powerhouse mitochondria are more severely damaged as we age, especially after 50 years old. Environmental pollution, radiation, lifestyle and other factors will also further aggravate the aging process. As age increases, NAD+ levels in the human body decline gradually. NAD+ is an essential substrate for DNA repair. A decline in NAD+ will eventually lead to age-related diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative diseases, which are also known as aging. NMN is the direct precursor of NAD+. Once entered the body, NMN is converted to NAD+. Hence, supplementation with NMN is the key to fight against aging. NMEX is to protect each and every component of a cell for your ultimate health. NMEX is unique. It is especially formulated with NNN, grape stem cells, which is cultured by switch technology, Pequod red pomegranate, which is produced by patented nanotechnology, Davos Life E3 mixed tocotrienol tocopherol, and Ganoderma lucidum. NMEX can repair damaged DNA and maintain telomeres length to delay the aging process. It also activates the longevity gene sirtuin to maintain cellular health and prolong lifespan. Besides, NMEX can effectively improve the aging-related body function deterioration, reduce the burden of age-related diseases, and enhance cells' vitality, relieve fatigue, and boost energy. Moreover, NMEX increases NAD+ levels to enhance brain function, delay cognitive decline, protect brain health, promote metabolism, and improve quality of sleep to achieve the goal of eternal youth.